Ryand Campbell here with Campbell & Company Real Estate. Super excited to present to you our newest listing situated in the highly desired community of St. George. Offering 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and literally steps away from a wonderful park featuring a splash pad, large soccer field, as well as a pavilion to host your large gatherings. Come on in, take a look. As a longtime resident of St. George, I can speak firsthand to how truly wonderful this great community is. If you have any questions about the property itself or the great community it sits within, be sure to reach out to myself or any of our team members at Campbell & Company Real Estate.